Harbor Freight's Dollar Days just went live, and if you think all the deals are great, well, they're not. Many items look cheap but are actually not worth the money. But there are some deals in this round that are deeply discounted, rarely repeated, and once May 6th is over, it's considered done. I went through each coupon, compared prices, and filtered carefully, only keeping the items that I would actually spend my own money on. Not everything cheap is worth buying, but everything worth buying is worth it. In the next few minutes, I will show you the best deals to grab categorized clearly so you don't waste money on useless things. If you want to make the most of this sale, don't skip. This is what I call the main event of this super coupon sale. These are the heavy hitters, literally both in weight and in value. If you've been waiting for the right time to make a big investment, this is it. Don't blink, because missing out on these could cost you hundreds of dollars easily. If you need a backup power system for your whole family, this deal is no joke. It's like buying an insurance policy that actually feels good to use. When it comes to generators, the biggest mistake people make is only looking at the wattage. But this Predator Tri-Fuel, it's a whole different beast. Tri-Fuel means you can run it on gasoline, propane, or natural gas. Picture this. You're in the middle of a storm, trees are down, gas stations are shut down. That's when you'll realize how priceless it is to just plug this thing straight into your home's natural gas line. No waiting in line for gas and no worrying about old fuel gumming up your carburetor. The best part? It's labeled super quiet. My real-world take. From about 20 feet away, it sounds like a humming AC unit. Your neighbors won't be knocking on your door complaining about their beauty sleep. At 9,500 watts, it'll easily handle your central AC, fridge, TV, and lights. It's a buy once, use for a decade kind of deal. Compared to a Honda, you're saving almost half the cash while getting performance that's neck and neck. All right, if the last one sounded like overkill, this might be more your speed. It's for the person who wants to forget that power outages are even a thing. People always ask me, why not just buy a small, cheap one? Look, if you've got heavy-duty gear like a well pump and electric oven, or you run a wood shop with high-draw table saws, those 10,000 running watts are your safety net. This 13,500 max starting watts Predator is a straight-up tank. When it kicks over, you can just feel the power. It also features a CO carbon monoxide sensor with auto shutdown, which is a huge deal. It's literally a lifesaver if exhaust ever starts drifting where it shouldn't. I've personally tried running an air compressor and a welder at the same time on this thing. It barely even flinched. Look at that steel frame, thick and rugged like a mini tank. Instead of dropping $5,000 on a professional permanent standby system, getting this at the super coupon price and having an electrician install a transfer switch is a much smarter move for your wallet. The off-road crowd already knows why this is hot. 12,000 pounds of pulling capacity means it'll yank a heavy rig out of the deepest mud. But what blew me away wasn't just the muscle, it was the experience. It comes with a wireless remote, meaning you don't have to stand right on top of the vehicle. When things get messy, muddy, slippery, sketchy, staying at a safe distance is everything. I once went off-roading with a buddy using a cheap short-cord winch, and it was a nightmare. That wireless remote is worth every penny of the upgrade. The build quality on the Apex line is solid. It's got that industrial, mean look, not like some toy. Compared to a big name like Warren, it's a fraction of the price, but surprisingly close in quality. If you own a rig or hit the trails, this is the kind of tool you hope you never have to use, but when you do, it's a total lifesaver. Okay, this might not sound as cool as a winch or a generator, but trust me, once you use one, you'll never go back to breaking your back again. If you're constantly lifting engine blocks, mowers, or heavy boxes out of your truck bed, you need this Franklin hydraulic cart. The mechanism is smooth as butter, just a few pumps with your foot, and that steel table rises right up. It brings the heavy stuff up to waist height so you're not hunched over. That 1,000-pound capacity is impressive. I've used it to drop a truck transmission before, and it felt rock solid. No wobbling, no sudden drops in pressure. The heavy-duty casters roll over concrete like a dream. It's one of those things you don't think you need until you have it, and then you'll wonder, where has this been all my life? Folks, just these 4 heavy hitters alone can save you thousands compared to the big name brands. If you're finding these real-world breakdowns helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. It's the best way to support the channel so I can keep hunting down these deals for you. And don't go anywhere, because up next, we're heading into the section where there's a little something for everyone: garage essentials. These might be smaller items, but they're just as satisfying to use. You guys ready? Let's go! If the last group was all about big investments, this section is about the stuff you'll actually use every single week. And honestly, these are the items where once you have them, you'll ask yourself, why on earth did I wait so long to buy this? If there's one item at Harbor Freight that's reached legendary status in the DIY world, it's definitely this yellow Daytona floor jack. Now, some people will say a jack is a jack, right? Big mistake. This Super Duty model isn't your run-of-the-mill budget jack. This is the direct rival that Snap-on actually sued because the design was, well, a little too similar and the quality was too good. The feeling when you pump that handle to lift a heavy pickup truck is unbelievably smooth and rock solid. The dual piston system gets you to the frame in just 1 or 2 pumps, saving you a ton of elbow grease. The body is made of thick, heavy steel. It's a tank. Personally, I've beaten mine up for over 3 years, and it hasn't leaked a drop of oil or lost an inch of pressure. Compared to dropping $800 plus on a Snap-on, getting this for around $200 or $109 with this deal is the smartest move you can make for your car and your safety. Think back to the last time you were shimmying under your car on an old greasy cardboard box to change your oil. Your back is killing you, and every time you need a wrench, you're doing the sad caterpillar crawl to get out. It's time to end that nightmare. This Pittsburgh Creeper has a low-profile design, meaning it's super slim, so you can slide into those tight gaps without getting stuck. It's got a padded deck and a headrest so you won't have a literal pain in the neck after a long job. But the best part, the 360-degree swivel casters. One little kick and you're gliding from the bumper to the tailpipe. Look, when you're comfortable, you're focused, and when you're focused, you're not dropping bolts on your face. At this price, there's zero excuse to keep torturing your spine on cold concrete. Item number 7 is the piece that's going to turn your garage from a disaster zone into something that looks like a professional shop on the Discovery Channel. I love these US General carts because they aren't just shelves, they're your mobile command center. With 5 drawers on super smooth ball-bearing slides, you can finally organize everything from wrenches and pliers to your power tools. The top lid flips up to give you a temporary workbench, and there are deep slots inside for extensions and screwdrivers. The powder coat is thick too. It handles scratches and chemicals like a champ. Compared to Husky or Craftsman, the steel on these feels thicker and the wheels are way beefier. When you're mid-job, you just roll your entire arsenal right next to the wheel well. It saves you hours of, where did I put that 10 millimeters frustration? There are things you never think you need until you own one and wonder, how did I ever survive without this enter the platform truck? It sounds boring, but imagine you just got back from Costco with 5 cases of water, or you just bought an 80-kilogram air compressor. Instead of throwing your back out trying to carry it, you just plop it onto this wide steel deck and push it like it's a feather. It's rated for 1,000 pounds, so you can literally put an entire engine on here and the wheels will still spin freely. Plus, the handle folds flat so you can tuck it against the wall when you're done. I use mine for everything from moving big garden pots to heavy crates of spare parts. It's tough, it's cheap, and it's a total lifesaver. You see, folks, the garage isn't just a place to park, it's our sanctuary, and these tools are your best wingmen. If you're liking these deals so far, let me know by hitting that like button and drop a comment on which one you're planning to snag. And don't forget to subscribe because we're only halfway there. Right now, we're moving into a group I know you've been waiting for where power meets technology. We've got some seriously beastly power tools coming up next, so let's get to it. All right, now we're getting into the part everyone loves: power tools. This is where you really start to see the gap between just having a tool and having the right tool to get the job done faster, better, and with way more swagger. We're looking at a budget price tag here, but the performance is basically a declaration of war against DeWalt and Milwaukee. Don't let the blue and black look fool you. This thing is a straight-up beast. If you've ever used a cheap drill, you know that smell of burning electronics when you try to sink a long screw. But with this Hercules brushless, it's a whole different ballgame. Brushless means it runs cooler, smoother, and most importantly, your battery lasts way longer. The torque on this thing is impressive. It'll drive long lag bolts into solid wood without breaking a sweat. In my hands, it feels perfectly balanced, not top-heavy at all. Plus, that LED ring light at the nose is bright as day, making those dark, tight corners a breeze to work in. Spending $200 on a Milwaukee Surge Y, when you can grab this for half the price and get a 5-year over-the-counter warranty. It's a total no-brainer. Next up, number 10. Have you ever tried using a regular hammer drill on high PSI concrete? It just goes click, click, click. Smoke starts flying, and the hole is nowhere to be found. That's exactly when you need a real SDS rotary hammer. The secret sauce here is the pneumatic hammer mechanism. Instead of gears just grinding together, this Bauer uses a piston to literally punch the drill bit. It feels like holding a miniature jackhammer. It goes through concrete like a hot knife through butter. I've used this to drill dozens of holes for storage racks, and it was a walk in the park, no need to put your entire body weight into it. If you're doing any home reno or backyard projects involving masonry, stop punishing yourself with a regular drill. Grab this and you'll wonder why you've been living in the dark ages for so long. If you're even thinking about getting into woodworking like building shelves, framing pictures, or fixing your baseboards, this is the ultimate starting line. Why the sliding version? That sliding part is the key. It allows you to cut much wider boards that a standard chop saw just can't reach. Sure, it's the entry-level line from Chicago Electric, but once you spend 5 minutes calibrating it, the accuracy is solid. The 10-inch blade it comes with is plenty for most around-the-house jobs. Look, it's not going to be as buttery smooth as a $1,500 Festool, but for DIY ears who don't want to go broke, this is the steal of the century. There's nothing more satisfying than seeing those 45-degree cuts line up perfectly. Okay, this is the one people think is rocket science, but it's actually way easier than you'd think. It's got enough juice to weld most common metals, thin steel frames, small parts. It's not for heavy industrial work, but for DIY repairs. It's perfect. The beauty of FluxCore/MIG is that the learning curve is way shorter than stick welding. Just keep a steady hand, and the machine does the hard work for you. I remember my first time my hands were shaking and my welds looked like pigeon droppings, but after a few tries, it just clicked. That feeling of watching metal melt and fuse together. It's addictive. This is a complete kit, so you're not nickel and dimed for extras. Compared to a Lincoln or Hobart, this titanium is way cheaper, but still packs enough punch for real-world projects. If you've ever said, I should learn to weld, this is your sign. Those were the big, heavy-hitting power tools. But sometimes the difference between a pro and a weekend warrior is found in the smallest details. Stick around because next, we're diving into the stuff that costs just a few bucks. But we'll have you saying, wow, that's genius. Let's go. Welcome to the home stretch. While the previous sections were all about raw muscle, this part is all about finesse. Sometimes a tiny tool is the ultimate lifesaver that helps you finish a job in 5 minutes instead of struggling for an hour. For less than the price of a decent lunch, this little guy can handle a mountain of random chores around the house. It's small, but it's a total Swiss Army knife. With the 80-piece accessory kit included, you can grind, cut, polish, or engrave on almost anything. My real-world take, I once had a rusted bolt under a car that wouldn't budge. I pulled this out, popped on a mini cutting disc, and zip job done in seconds. The RPM is high, and it doesn't vibrate your hand off like some cheap knockoffs. Compared to a Dremel that costs 4 or 5 times as much, the Warrior is a steal for those once-in-a-while tasks. It's the kind of thing where when you finally need it, those $15 will feel like the smartest investment you've ever made. If you want your woodworking projects to look professional instead of amateur hour, this trim router is your golden ticket. Its power lies in creating those smooth, rounded edges or sharp chamfers that give wood that finished look. This Bauer model features variable speed, which is huge. It prevents you from burning the wood when using different bits. It's got a solid grip and doesn't feel rattly like the no-name brands. Compared to Makita or Bosch, you're getting 90% of the performance at a fraction of the cost. Watching a piece of rough lumber turn into a piece of art after just one pass. That's when you'll realize why people get addicted to this tool. Want to wash the car or blast the grime off your balcony without wrestling with a massive power cord? Here is your answer. Now look, this isn't an industrial-grade power washer, but it has plenty of kick to knock the mud off your wheel wells or the moss off your walkway. The best part is the portability. Just grab a bucket of water, drop in the suction hose, and start spraying. No cords, no hunting for an outlet. The pressure is surprisingly concentrated and the point-and-shoot feel is super satisfying. If you're already in the Bauer 20-volt battery ecosystem, this is a total no-brainer. It's way more convenient than the pricey cordless options from brands like Works. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're a fan of these small but mighty tools. Have you picked out your favorites yet? If you're still on the fence, stick around for the end of the video because I've got some crucial tips on how to use these coupons to get the absolute most bang for your buck. Don't go anywhere. We're wrapping up our top 15 list right now. We've blazed through 15 items, but I know what you're thinking. There are so many good deals. Which one do I pull the trigger on first? If I could only pick one single item from this entire list, I wouldn't even blink before pointing at the Daytona 3-ton Super Duty floor jack. Why this and not the generator or the welder simple practicality and frequency? You might only use a generator once a year during a blackout, and that welder might sit in the corner for months. But this Daytona, every time you change your oil, rotate your tires, or just peek under the chassis, it's there, rock solid and safe as houses. It's the one tool that upgrades your entire garage experience from manual labor to smooth sailing. At this super coupon price, it's a steal you won't find anywhere else. Period. However, I've got to give you a straight-up reality check. Don't buy it just because it's cheap. Harbor Freight is a paradise, but it's also a trap if you aren't careful. Prioritize what you'll actually use. If you've never had the urge to learn how to weld, don't buy a welder just because it's 50% off. Check your why. Ask yourself, am I actually going to use this next week? If the answer is maybe, keep that cash in your pocket and invest it in something functional like that tool cart or a solid drill. Time is ticking between now and May 10th, and trust me, hot items like the Daytona or the generators will vanish from local shelves fast. Get your shopping list ready today. If these battle-tested tips helped you save some serious coin, do me a solid, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next deal hunt. Just a quick heads up, I'm sharing this based on my own personal experience and the manufacturer's specs. Prices and coupons can vary by location or by the time you're watching this. Always double check the product, and for the love of all things holy, stay safe when using power tools. I hope you snag some epic gear to level up your garage sanctuary. I'll see you in the next one where we're going to unbox and stress test these tools on a real rig. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.